Club Deportivo Social y Cultural Cruz Azul Asociación S.A. de CV, or simply Cruz Azul, is a professional football club based in Mexico City, Mexico. It competes in the Liga MX, the top division of Mexican football. Because Azul means blue in Spanish, the club has traditionally worn a blue home kit. Founded in Jasso, Hidalgo, the club moved officially to Mexico City in 1971, where it had already registered a great presence and activity since its beginnings. Estadio Azteca, the nation's largest sports venue, served as their home venue until 1996, when they moved to the Estadio Azul. After 22 years, the team returned to the Azteca at the conclusion of the 2017-18 Liga MX season. Its headquarters are in La Noria, a suburb within Xochimilco in the southern part of Mexico City. Cruz Azul has been the Primera Division champion 9 times, trailing Toluca's 10, CD Guadalajara's 12, and Club America's 13. Cruz Azul's 6 titles makes it the second most successful club in the history of the CONCACAF Champions League, the most prestigious international club competition in North American football, trailing intracity rival Club America. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.